How to fix Cloudflare verify you are human loop. So there are a few reasons why this could be happening, but it pretty much just means when it loops, it means it doesn't trust your browser or session. So the common causes can be a VPN or proxy interference, the browser extensions that you have recently just added, broken cookies or cache, DNS or network issues, or aggressive Cloudflare security settings. So you could potentially just go ahead and try using different browsers first before you do any of these, but here we'll have a list on a few things you can do to potentially help you with this problem. So the first one is to disable VPNs or proxies. This is the most common fix apparently. So you turn off your VPN, proxy, or any private DNS and then just refresh the page. Another is to clear cookies and cache for that site specifically. So just go ahead to your browser, go to the settings, privacy, cookies, and site data, search the website and remove cookies, then just reload page. For example, here in our Edge browser, just go ahead here to the top right and press on settings. And once you're there, just go ahead and search for manage cookies, or in the top settings, you'll be able to see manage cookies anyway. So just go ahead and press on see all cookies and site data and just search for Cloudflare. What you're gonna have to do from there is just get rid of the cookies from here, basically just reset, go ahead and get rid of all of that. Another is to disable your extensions temporarily. You can turn off the ad blockers that if you have just added, script blockers, privacy tools, or just try to disable the extensions that you have recently added or that has started causing this issue. You can also go ahead and try allow JavaScript and cookies. So Cloudflare requires JavaScript, so check for JavaScript that is on, the cookies allowed, and make sure pop-ups are not blocked for that site. But these are a few things you can keep in mind to potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.